Ever feel like you're playing hide and seek with your Basecamp account's billing information? Well, in this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly where to find the cart or billing section in your Basecamp account, making managing your subscription a breeze. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see a few options. Select My Account. This will take you to your account settings page. On this page, you'll notice a series of tabs, likely including Profile, Notifications, and more. Look for the tab labeled Billing Info or something similar. Click on it. And there you have it. You've found the cart or the billing section of your Basecamp account. Here, you can view your current subscription details, update your payment information, download past invoices, and manage other important account settings. Now you're equipped to easily manage your Basecamp subscription and account details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Basecamp tips and tricks.